Hi guys, so this is gonna be the first of my mermaid accent nails for the month of May. So we're starting off with, this is sort of also like a how to isolate the chrome tutorial as well, or different ways you can achieve the isolated chrome looks, should I say. So this is the typical actually using chrome powder. So we're starting off with 2 coats of this Beetles gel polish from the Coastal Twilight set, and before it's cured, the second layer is cured, we're using GlitterArty, Diamond Aqua, and I think it's Diamond Dust Teal. We do have a glitter disaster, let's just say. It's a little bit harder to pour from these pots. It's a lot easier to pour from the, you know, like the test tube like pots, because it tends to all just come out of these. Like, maybe I need to repot my glitter. I do love these handy little trays though. I mean, how good is that? Wait for the disaster. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, here we go. See, just fell everywhere. So that was way more of that colour than I'd wanted on it. So, never mind. Better clear that up. See, once again, handy little tray. So we're going to go and put more of the other one, that Diamond Aqua. It's all really nice. Don't know if the camera picks it up as well, but it has got sort of like a gold shift to the aqua turquoisey base. See, look, glitter gets absolutely everywhere. So, because of the disaster, it's not cured all the glitter to it. Like, there is still coming off. But usually, if you have an even distribution of the glitter, it stays on and it doesn't, you know. But the glitter I used for the Ursula nails was a bit thicker though, so that maybe the finer ones sort of struggle a little bit. So we're going to encapsulate it with a no wipe top coat. What I should have used was base coat, but never mind, learn from my mistakes. And this actually like sealed it in quite well without any lumps and bumps. So there we have. And then we are going to matte top coat it. See, this is why I should have used a base coat. But as this isn't on a client or a press-on nail set, it's not the end of the world. Just learn from my mistakes. So this is it matte. So you need a no-wipe top coat for chrome. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw the mermaid pattern on using the no-wipe top coat. To be fair, I wish I'd used a colour underneath it, and a thinner brush, because my mermaid scales were a bit thicker than I would have liked. But just, if you see what I'm doing here, so I'm just doing the mermaid scales pattern in the no-wipe top coat. I do flash cure it periodically, just so it doesn't blob everywhere. And I won't show you all of it because what's the point? You can see what I'm doing. And then I have cured it fully, and I'm using this gold chrome powder. So can you see all the the different scale patterns there where it's shining. So fingers crossed, I've never isolated the chrome before. So pop your chrome on, brush off the excess powder that's floating about. And then we're going to go over the bits that we want to stay chromed with the top coat again. Once again, I'm not going to show you it all because you get the gist of what I'm doing. This is what I mean. I wish I'd used a thinner brush and maybe done a colour underneath first just so I could see where my lines were. And then we are wiping with isopropyl alcohol the chrome that we didn't want on it after we'd cured the no wipe top coat. So there we have. I've wiped it fully there. That is how you isolate the chrome and get a chrome isolated look. This is, in my honest opinion, the easier way. So we're starting off again just with the base. That turquoise, light turquoisey base. 2 coats of that. And then we're using these Beetles gel polish and these sparkly Beetles gel polish. So we're just going to draw a mermaid tail for now. Using a thin detailer brush, but not the thinnest one I've got, because you don't really need a thin one because we're just doing nail art here. So it's sort of, the tail is going to be flicking up from the bottom. I do sort of adjust the shape slightly. So just filling that in here. I should have 100% planned the design I was actually going to do, really, maybe before. I just sort of winged it with this one, just because I really wanted to do Mermay, so I just wanted to get on with it. I think next one I will do sort of footprints in the sand, along with shells, maybe. We'll see. So we're using that turquoisey Beetles gel polish now for the end of her tail. What are they called? I don't know. It's not flippers. I don't know. It doesn't look like a lot now, but it will. We're just getting the basic sort of shape. And then we're going to make it pretty with the glitter polish, because I could not bear the glitter disaster. Especially when you're working with not like a whole nail. It's a bit harder with those sort of pots. Maybe I could tip it on via the, what is it? The little glitter tray. Like, use it backwards. So we're putting the purple glittered Beetles gel polish. Look how pretty that is. Just getting more on my brush because I think I accidentally cured it on my palette because it was a bit close to my lamp. Oh, what a disaster. Oh. First set of mermaid nails and it was just disaster after disaster. I think they look good in the end though. And then we're going over the tail with this one. So look how pretty that turquoise is. That would just have been a good base for the first nail. So now this is the chrome paint. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Look at that mirror shine. See, this to me seems easier and less faffy than that original method. But I don't know. It depends on the look you're going for, I suppose, doesn't it? But this looks just as good. This was from Born Pretty, this one. And I think I do have a gold one as well, which I've used quite a lot. But I think this, I don't know, I think this was a better... maybe the other one could have been better if I'd used a thinner brush and a base colour to go underneath. But I think I still prefer this look. And the ease of how this worked. It seems like it would save a lot of time if you were looking for time-saving methods. Anyway, get yourself a good chrome paint. Magpie Beauty also have quite some good ones. I have the champagne one, and that's really pretty. So I'm just drawing a few little scales on a mermaid tail. Not loads, but just a few dotted here and there, going over them a little bit because they weren't very clear. And then I think I do some little love hearts to the side of her tail, but probably want to cure. No, I just thought, no, we'll go in. I'll do the heart first. So 2 little circles, and then we will join them up just like so. Such an easy way to do heart, guys. Like, so simple. It's the simple things. And then just one at the other side, just to finish off the nail. And of course, you know, we're going to do dots. We're going to do some dots. See, look how easy that is. Look. Perfect heart. Then we'll do some dots. Just to finish off the look, because why not? Everybody loves dots. And there we have. I don't show you it cured with a shiny top coat until the end. I'm very sorry. But here, I definitely prefer that one to this one. Thank you for watching my first mermaid look. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more. Let me know if there's a design you'd like to see. So if you could, give me a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Bye.